Hindi madali itong ginagawa ko. Parang pang week 5 ko na siya. And I just saw a little improvement. And honestly, there were times parang ayoko na siyang ituloy. You know, there were times yung mga like first 2 weeks nung bumalik ako sa consistency. And then I realized na I just need to make a small habit. Just start. No big movements. No large movements. No complex movements. Just move. Just show up. Put on my fitness clothes and just move. Tapos yun, naisip ko, wag na akong mag-coach this time. Kasi yung mga coaches, naturo na nila lahat sa akin. But, of course, I'm following a set of program right now. Meron akong dancing, meron akong more on circuit strengthening. Yun. So, yun talaga yung nag-match sa akin long before. But more than that, I also take into consideration yung aking kinakain. And me, as someone who has PCOS, it's really difficult kasi sweet tooth by nature. It all boils down to one thing, to make that decision, to make that small step, and really show up, be consistent. Then after like a week, 2, and in the 3rd week, nung nakita ko yung progress ko, natuwa ako. Hindi pa yan yung gusto kong mangyari. Hindi pa ako nakakabalik dun sa gusto kong weight now, around 110 pounds. Pero nakita ko yung improvement. So this goes saying na just have to enjoy the journey. I don't need to like compare yung sarili ko dun sa iba na ay buti pa siya, hindi siya tabain, ganyan. So yun yung na-realize ko this time na just enjoy. Discipline comes first before motivation.